Git Stash. So the main topics this week video includes are what is Git Stash, the use cases of the Git Stash, and the key Git Stash command. So let me start with the what is Git Stash. So Git Stash is a button which provide momentary hold while coding. It allows you to save your uncommitted changes temporarily, so you can switch the branch or work on something else, and once you are ready, you can come up and retrieve those changes and continue from where you are. So basically, Git Stash is like a stack where you can uh, put your uncommitted changes and then reapply them whenever you want, or you can just delete them if you don't want. So let me start with the use cases of the Git Stash. So here are the four scenarios where we can use Git Stash. So first one is hotfix on another branch. So let's take an example. You are working on feature 1 and then your boss has tell that you have to work on the feature 2 for a hotfix. So you just test your changes of the feature 1 branch and then go to the feature 2 branch, hotfix that, and then come up and then reapply the Git Stash scenario. Then the second one is Workspace Cleanup before pulling up updates. So how this can work? Uh, Whenever you are pulling updates, you have work on something and you need to pull the branch. So you just stash them to avoid the merge conflicts. Then the third one is resolve accidentally updates on different branch. So let's take an example that you are working accidentally on a different branch where you not want to uh, push your changes, and then you suddenly think that I am on the wrong branch. So what you can do is you can stash the changes you have made in that branch and then change the branch and apply on that. Then the fourth one is testing ideas without commitment. It's like you have to test some new ideas on the branch, and if it works then you need to push them, or else you can just test and clean this test so it will work. We are going to see these four in the practical. So yeah, let's take practical, and then I have means going to uh, give you the commands which we are using in the Git Stash. So yeah, let's go for the practicals. Okay, so welcome. Here we are going to implement the first scenario of our use cases. So hotfix on the another branch. So let me describe the scenario. Here we have two branches. One is master and the other one is feature. So I am working on the master branch, and suddenly my senior came and said that you need to work on the feature 1 branch. So what the changes I have made in my master branch, I need to temporarily save them, else it's wipe out. So Git Stash is best known for its temporary saving. So yes, so let me implement that. So here I have made one file named animal.txt, and here I am going to update something like let's say I have made one changes pig and crow and uh, other things. So yeah, so now my boss came and said that you need to work on the hotfix of the feature 1 branch, so I need to temporarily save them. So the command to save this is git stash save, and the message name you want like animals temporary temp. Okay, so here the it is saved in the git stash. Now I am going to the another branch feature 1. Here just I am creating the hot fixes like deer, let's say for example, then git add dot git commit deer added. Okay, so I have completed the hotfix on my other branch. Now when I switch the branch, just I need to apply those changes. So git stash apply. So this is the scenario where we can use git stash for an hotfix, and just need to temporarily save our work which are we are doing on the branch, and suddenly you need to do work on another branch. So yeah, that's it. So here we are going to implement our second scenario, which is workspace cleanup before pulling the branch. So here I am on my master branch and I need to pull my feature one branch. So these are the two changes I have made, pig and cow. So let me first test them. Test, save, pull. So we have tested our changes. Now I need to merge the feature one branch. So master. So here the merge is successfully completed. Now I need to apply my changes if we are going to need them, or else it doesn't create any merge conflict as we see. So this is the whole scenario where we can use Git Stash to clean up our workspace before doing the merge pull or other things. So yeah, that's it. Okay, so we are now going to implement our third scenario, which is to resolve accidentally updates on different branch. So let's take an example. So I have to do some changes in the feature one branch, and currently I accidentally do the changes in the master branch. So let me write something. So here, hi. Okay, so I have made one changes and suddenly I remember that I need to make these changes to the feature one branch. So first I have to save this change into the stash. So git stash save HY. Okay, and now I need to just change the branch, and here I need to apply my change. So git stash apply. Okay, so see how it's really easy to play with the stash, and you can just do the changes from one branch to another branch. So yeah, that's it for the third scenario. Okay, so here we are with our final scenario, which is to test the ideas without commitment. So let's take an example that we have write a very long code and we have just need to test the idea. If it works, then we need to push the changes to the remote repository. If it not works, then we need to clean up our whole workspace. So to clean up workspace with backspace and other things is little bit tedious, so we are use git stash to clean up our whole workspace. So to clean up our workspace, we need to just save the stash, and now we need to just drop the specific stash. Okay, so how here you can see that our whole workspace has been cleaned up, and it's quite easy to do the things with a new workspace. Okay, so that's it for the fourth scenario and final. Which are the different key commands in the git stash? Okay, so here are the some of the stash command. The first is git stash save. It is used to save the stash. Okay, the second one is git stash apply. It will apply all the stash without removing the stash from the list. The second one is to apply specific stash, we need to write stash and the index number. Then to apply and remove the stash, the command is git stash pop. To clear all the stashes, the command is git stash clear. To list all the stashes, the command is git stash list. To push specific file in the stash, the command is git stash push -m file name 1 2. To view the stash, the command is git stash show with the specific stash number. And to drop a specific stash, the command is git stash drop stash index. Okay, so that's all for the git stash session. I hope you like it, and please don't forget to subscribe our channel. I am bringing more this type of content really soon. Okay, so thank you.